In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add row in Excel. If you want to add row, so right click there, like in here, then click on insert. So as we can see now, new row. If you want to see clearly, so we will change this row color. Like now you want to add a row after 3, so right click on 4, then click on insert. So you can see now a new row after 3. Similarly, you want to row after 5, a new row, so right click on 6 and then click on insert. That's it. And that's it. So like this we can add a row in Excel program. Thanks for watching. So very simple and easy. Right click and click on insert. We will change color so we can see properly. This one is the blue color and this one like red color. So now we have these 3 color, and you want to add row after 9, so right click on 10, then insert. So we will see this 9 color row is now 2. So that's it. We can add row in Excel. Thanks for watching.